Hi there, my name is Sara Naumann and I'd like to invite you to join me for my Paint, Ink, Emboss online class at Creative Workshops. In this class, we'll create 10 different backgrounds using acrylic paint, stamping ink, and embossing powders. We'll brayer, stencil, and emboss to make layers of color and texture. Each video will take you step by step through the process of creating a fun and colorful background. At the end of each video, I'll share with you an idea or two for using your background to create handmade cards, collages, and journal covers. You'll also have access to a handout that will give supply listings, written instructions, and photos of the background and the projects I've made. So if you love the idea of creating your own unique backgrounds or just want to have a play, then please join us at Creative Workshops at creativeworkshops.me for the Paint, Ink, Emboss online class.